Hello, my name is Louise Dowding, and I'm the head of marketing for a tech specialist recruitment company called Lorien. Lorien is the largest UK-based tech recruiter. Tech powers companies of all sizes and across all industries, and we work with these companies to find them great tech professionals. We're delighted to partner with TechGirls. One of the tools used across the recruitment industry is LinkedIn. Building your personal brand on LinkedIn is important to help you grow your network and your opportunities now and in the future. I'm going to take you through the basics of how to build your profile. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network. It's a social network like Facebook or Instagram, but this is for your professional life, not your personal life. It's your chance to tell your professional story. LinkedIn has 690 million members, representing 36,000 skills. 30 million companies are registered on the platform, with 20 million open job listings and 90,000 schools represented. It's important because it's the go-to destination for companies looking to find the right people for their jobs. It's a bit like your online CV. This is a place where recruiters and hiring managers go to find people to fill their job vacancies. So what do people use LinkedIn for? LinkedIn is used to keep up to date with industry news, to network and connect with other professionals, and to look for job opportunities. LinkedIn is the platform to build your professional story and to give potential employers and other industry contacts an overview of your skills and experience. This can lead to opportunities now and in the future. Your newsfeed will be shaped by the people you connect with and the content you indicate you have an interest in. So, how to build your profile? I'm going to use my profile as an example as I talk you through the steps. The first thing people see is your picture. It makes your profile 14 times more likely to be viewed by others. Choose a professional, up-to-date photo. Don't have anyone else in the photo, or any part of them if you try and crop them out. For example, no arms around your shoulder or someone else's hair in the frame. Your head and shoulders should be the main focus of the frame. Dress appropriately for the work environment. Solid colours are a good shout, with a plain background that doesn't distract. Use your real name as it makes it easy for people to find you. Don't use titles, words, initials, or nicknames. You can customize your URL to include your name. Next is your banner. This is the image at the top of the page. I work in marketing, so my banner is the company branded background. Yours could reflect something that you're passionate about, something from your professional story, or your work environment, or a location. Cityscapes work well, for example. Before I had this banner, I had a photo of London Bridge, which is near our office. Your banner is a chance to say a little bit more about yourself. Your headline tells visitors straight away what you do. Many people use their job title as their headline, or pull out some key skills that define what they do. Your about text is your chance to showcase who you are. It's your opportunity to tell the world who you are, what you do, what you're interested in, what you've achieved. It's a chance to differentiate yourself and explain what makes you unique. Talk about your career goals, your passions, your talent, your accomplishments, what inspires you and what makes you different. Tell people why they should connect with you. No one is going to read an essay in this section, despite how interesting it might be. It should be short and sweet, punchy, and to the point. 3 short paragraphs to tell the story of your professional life, pulling out the highlights. The experience section is where you can tell your story, effectively like a CV in brief, albeit in a different format. Focus on your achievements and successes, rather than a shopping list of skills. How did you use those skills to be successful? Focus with more detail on your most relevant experience. The education section allows you to record your educational experience and achievements. Show that you're successful at what you do by getting recommendations. The best recommendations come from people who've had a positive experience working with you. Reach out to teachers, lecturers, managers, mentors, sports coaches, volunteer leaders, etc. to request a recommendation. Your network can also endorse your skills. Congratulations, you've built your profile. Now you can use LinkedIn to broaden your professional network. Stay up to date with industry news and topics that interest you via your newsfeed. You will see the posts of the people and the companies you follow. Join and participate in groups, build relationships and learn. Your network will determine the content you see. Connect with relevant professionals and be selective to make sure your content is appropriately curated for your interests. Don't connect with people for the sake of it, and make sure when you do connect, you introduce yourself. Follow companies you're interested in to keep up to date with what they are up to and to see when they post new job opportunities. If you have any questions, you can find me on LinkedIn